Founded in the late 1890s, Audi has become one of the leading premium automotive brands and is the #2 brand in the world in terms of sales volume. The secret to this success story lies in its brand's value. Audi designs and manufactures some of the most sporty, progressive and sophisticated cars in the world. Reinhold Karl, a 27-year Audi veteran who firmly believes in the brand philosophy, was appointed by headquarters to promote the Audi brand in Singapore. Immediate efforts were made to differentiate Audi from its competitors by positioning Audi vehicles as integral to a sporty, progressive and sophisticated lifestyle. Audi Singapore chose to title sponsor the Singapore Fashion Festival and renamed it the Audi Fashion Festival. It has since become a world-class event and is an important instrument to promote the Audi brand. Not only has the Audi Fashion Festival supported Audi's brand profile, but it has also increased Singapore's fashion ranking to 7th in the world. Apart from high fashion, Audi has endeavored to associate the brand with sports, arts and culture. Despite the economic crisis in 2007, Mr. Karl's brand strategy has proven successful, with Audi's sales volume increasing by 20%. In January 2013, Audi Hong Kong was established, and Reinhold was appointed as managing director to take on the challenge of this highly competitive market. In order to position Audi as a leading premium car brand in Hong Kong, Audi Hong Kong created several talk-of-the-town lifestyle events and activities, including the Big Bang launch of the Audi A3 Sportback at the Kai Tak Cruise Terminal, home of Quattro event, the first car event to be held on a ferry, sailing across the spectacular Victoria Harbour, and the Ironman 3 Gala premiere. Customer delight is the focus of the Audi brand and is key to our goal of attaining the #1 position worldwide. Audi takes every opportunity to keep in contact with its customers, listen to their requirements, and establish long-term customer relationships. One of these opportunities has manifested itself as the local edition of Audi Magazine, a publication that endeavors to keep customers updated about Audi's new products and lifestyle trends. As a result of the lifestyle and customer-oriented approach, Audi Hong Kong has seen an increase in sales volume of close to 19% during its first year of operations. The man behind the steering wheel is the audacious driver, Mr. Reinhold Karl, Managing Director of Audi Hong Kong.